I'm getting hungry, boneheads.
Let's go deal some meal.
Bell pepper?
Yeah.
Dude, Wallows was rad, eh, Mike?
Wallows was happening, huh?
So
I know what's happening.
Waterville's so gnarly. If you slam there, oh my god. It's like skating on sandpaper.
It's so scary though, the first time. He goes so fast. Were you scared the first time we went down though?
I didn't want to go.
It looks scary, huh? It's fast.
It's
So fast.
gnarly.
So
Big
rad.
kink at the bottom. Gotta get used to it.
It's hard, huh?
What,
No,
where are we gonna go next? Wallows.
We just went to Wallows.
Oh, yeah. That's what I meant.
should go to San Francisco.
Your town.
Definitely.
Is it a good spot, though?
A lot of spots. So many spots. So killer. Got a lot of friends up there. We might even be able to find Chin there.
So how long are we gonna be gone?
Who knows?
Your head's on fire.
Long time.
Is it ramps in San Francisco?
Oh, everything. Hills. So rad. It's so rad.
Your future looks bright.